How to create Alibaba account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First open Play Store and search for alibaba.com. Then you want to tap on the install button to download and install the app. Once it has been installed, tap on the open button. Here you want to tap on Get Started. Now from here tap on Sign In/Sign Up option. Now here, in order to create an account, you have three different options: sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, or continue with email. If you continue with email, you will have to enter your email address here and then tap on the next button. Then enter your password to create a new account, or you can tap on Google. Then from here tap on the continue button. Enter your Gmail account password if you have to. And just like that, your new Alibaba account has been created. You can simply edit your profile information from here, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.